Aloha and welcome to this short introduction to climate change energy and their connections to Hawaii. You might be wondering, why should we in Hawaii care about climate change? Is it even real? And if so, what does it have to do with energy? In this video, we'll start to talk about all of these issues. First off, what is climate change? According to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, it's a change of climate which is attributed directly or indirectly to human activities and that alters the composition of the global atmosphere and which is in addition to natural climate variability observed over comparable time periods. In other words, the globe is warming and we're doing it. But is that really the case? There are plenty of blogs and Facebook debates about this, but if you listen to the scientific community, the debate is not about whether global warming is occurring, because there are mountains of evidence that it is, but rather about what will happen as a result of it and what can we do about it. Now, global warming will impact different places in different ways, so let's focus on Hawaii. In the recently published book, The Value of Hawaii, Dr. Chip Fletcher wrote a great chapter on climate change and its potential impact on Hawaii. He found the following environmental trends that are consistent with global warming: rising air temperature, decreased rainfall and stream flow, increasing rain intensity, increasing sea levels, and increasing acidity of seawater. These trends have the potential to cause many problems for us. Water will grow scarcer, flooding will occur more frequently, coral reefs will be bleached by acidity, reduced stream flow will hurt agriculture, and increased sea levels will take away our beaches. In fact, for every 1 foot in sea level rise, 100 feet of beach will be lost. Here's a picture of what Waikiki might look like after just a 3-foot increase in sea level. The good news is that there is still time to avoid the worst impacts of global warming, and we can do that by reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Currently, the amount of carbon dioxide is at 392 parts per million and is increasing by about 2 parts per million per year. Scientists say we need to stop the increase and get the amount of carbon dioxide back down to 350 parts per million. So, in summary, global warming has the potential to make a dramatic impact on our quality of life in Hawaii, but we can avoid the worst effects by reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. But what can we do in Hawaii as our part to help achieve this goal? It turns out that in Hawaii, the easiest way to reduce our carbon footprint is to reduce our energy footprint. That's because 90% of our energy in Hawaii comes from burning fossil fuels like oil and coal. And burning fossil fuels is a major source of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So, the next time you turn off lights that have been left on, or ride your bike instead of taking the car, or eat locally grown food, you will be doing your part in Hawaii to reduce our carbon footprint and make sure our beaches, streams, coral reefs, and agricultural lands will be saved for ourselves and our children.